over the mountains and valleys of South Africa, where the sun nurtures the land, stands a beacon of renewal and reliability. Agrico, the name known for excellence in irrigation solutions. Since the build of our first machine in 1988, Agrico has been at the forefront, manufacturing and erecting over 10,000 pivots. Our revolutionary Agrico pivots are redefining the application of water and nutrients to crops throughout the continent. We have 3 factories strategically located in Bellville and Lichtenburg, equipped with the latest technology for in-house manufacturing. The Agrico Lichtenburg facility even boasts an integrated galvanizing plant, ensuring durability and longevity of the products. Our reach extends far beyond the borders of South Africa, with over 35 branches spanning across the continent, where our network of experts stands unrivaled, ready to conquer any agricultural challenge with precision and expertise. With decades of experience, Agrico stands as the oldest remaining manufacturer of PVC pipes in South Africa. With more than 3 million meters of PVC pipe produced annually, Agrico's commitment to quality knows no bounds. Imagine a length of pipe stretching from one end of South Africa to the other, not once, not twice, but 3 times. In 2022, we also introduced the first theft-proof pivot in the world, the G4 Pivot, a revolutionary feat in security innovation, designed to conceal all cables, motors, and other valuable items behind a sleek steel exterior. It became the ultimate defense against theft and vandalism. So when it comes to irrigation, trust the pioneers. Trust Agrico.